Okay, what is up everybody? Paulie P here with another tutorial, and today we're going to go over Zwift. I'm going to call this Zwift 101. First of all, shout out to my boy Umberto Cavallero. I grew up racing with him in New York, and he messaged me this morning. He's new to Zwift, as I am sure that a lot of people will be coming to Zwift that have never done it before, especially with the winter coming out. I thought this would be a good time to do this tutorial, so I hope this helps you, and if it does, smash the like button and subscribe, and go ahead and share it as well. So today we're going to go over two things. The first thing is going to be how to change the course. My boy Umberto, he wanted to just do a flat course, but he was stuck on a hilly course, and I know it seems like, okay, well, everybody knows how to do that, but not if you're new. So we're going to go over that. That's just going to take a few seconds, and then I'm going to walk you guys through an erg workout, how to create your own custom workout, because I think a lot of people don't know how to do that, and it, to me, is the best feature of Zwift. So with no longer further ado, let's get right into this. I'm just going to skip as far as pairing goes, and here we go. So first, let's just go over a course. Right here is change the course. So we're going to change the course here, and over to the right, up and down here, you can see the altitude change or accumulation as you do it. So for instance, if I click Three Sisters, it's going to be a 29.6 miles and a total 2938 feet of climbing. Now, say I want something not so elevated. I'm going to pick one of my favorites, because again, I don't like to climb every day, the Volcano Flat. That's a 7.6 mile loop at 164 feet for that 7.6 miles. So that's that. If I really want to challenge, obviously, Tour Fire and Ice, this is 3,800 feet and 15.6 miles. So that's that for that. Let's go right into different types of workout modes here. Here we go. We're going to hit training. And as you can see right here, I have been doing this Zwift running program. That's going to be another tutorial and another video. I'm looking forward to that. So we're just going to go back over to here, and we're going to go to our workouts, okay? And let's go by creating a new workout. So one workout that I like to do in the past was 1 minute on, 3 minutes off. Let's just do that. So a high intensity 1 minute with 3 minutes at like a zone 2. So now a full recovery. So we're working pretty hard. This is going to work on increasing your anaerobic threshold and prepare you for those very hard bursts. Whether you're cycling, you just want to burn calories, you want something fun, or maybe you play other sports. This is going to prepare you for all of that. So here we go. So we're going to start off by dragging. We're going to click and hold the warm-up icon here. And all of this is based off of what my FTP is. And FTP stands for how many watts I can do for 1 hour in an average, pushing it very hard. And I believe my FTP right now is about 230. So you can see it's going to start me off at 57 watts and gradually increase it over a 10-minute period to 172 watts. Now we're going to go into, like I said, the high intensity zone here. We'll go to zone 5, right? And now here's where things get kind of interesting. If I go over to the side here, you can see how the arrow goes horizontally across. I'm going to click and hold that and drag it down to right around 1 minute. Okay, minute 2, that's pretty close enough. Okay, then we're going to go back down to the zone 2 here, and we're going to make this 3 minutes. Okay, right around 3 minutes of recovery. All right, boom. And then we're going to go back to the zone 5 and bring that to 1 minute. Okay, or right around it. It's close enough. And then back down to the zone 2. All right. And I'm not gonna keep you here for too long, guys. You're getting the gist of this, I hope. So we'll bring that down to 3 minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna do one more, just for the sake of having a very cool workout. We'll go to here and bring that down to 1 minute. And I like the 1 minute interval because you can push yourself pretty hard and not too hard. And no matter what sport you do, you're gonna have high intensity for that 1 minute. So we're working on the anaerobic threshold. So we're going to go back down to the zone 2, and a rule of thumb that my old coach Lenny Preham would say, you know, the 1 to 3 ratio, 1 minute hard, 3 minutes off type of thing, and that's what we're kind of copying here. All right, now we have that set, and now we're going to go down to right here, the cool down. We're going to drag that down over to here, and total workout is going to be 32 minutes, so it's perfect. One thing to know about erg mode is that you do not change gears. Okay, the smart trainer will automatically change the resistance to the exact wattage. You just keep pedaling nice and smoothly. Don't stop, otherwise it's going to throw it out into erg mode, or you're going to have to pause that workout. Okay, so now let's we're going to name this this workout. I'm not the most creative person in the world, so we're going to say 1 minute on and 3 minutes off. Okay, and we'll save that there. Alright, so now let's go back, get out of the running zone here. I don't know why it keeps on putting me into that. We'll go back to workouts, and there it is right there. So I'm going to go workout, and we're going to press ride, and there I am. I chose the volcano flat course here. I'm in the middle of a volcano. It's very hot right now, and I'm getting passed like I was tied to a tree. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see right here 1 minute at 250 watts, about 3 minutes at 150 watts, and 32 minutes. I can get a really good sweat, complete the workout, and go to work. It's perfect. I love the custom workout mode, tailor-made to whatever you want. Okay, so that is basically it, guys. That's how easy it is, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of these tutorials, try to help you new Zwifters out. Winter's coming, and I know Zwift, we're just scraping the top of the iceberg here. There's going to be a lot more Zwifters going out. A lot of people don't even know about it. I'm very passionate about it. I love it. I do it basically every day. And that's how you create a workout. That's how you change the course. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. That's just going to reach out to more people, and we'll get more Zwifters out there. Leave any comments or questions below. I'd be happy to help you in anything that you have. I'm a Zwift experience dealer, have been on the beta since day one. And subscribe. I'm going to have more videos. That's going to help me bring you more content, actually, and get notified when I do that. So that's it for now. This is Paulie P at the Zwift headquarters. This isn't really the Zwift headquarters, but in Yulee, Florida, where it's very sunny, but I'm inside riding my bike. I love it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next time. See ya.